Hey guys, welcome back to the Mo Money channel. My name is Mo, and we are about to hit a big jackpot today here. Back at the Huff and more Puff. Let's do some 1250s. Do it. 750. Some $10 bet. One more. Alright, let's do $10 denom, $10 bet. Do it. Should we do 15s instead? Maybe 15 is worth the money. Let's do it. Do it. It's not feeling great, guys. I'm not getting anywhere. Do it. Come on, give us 4 buzzsaws. Can we get a bonus? Just one? We are not catching anything, people. thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mo. We are at Lightning Wing Machine today. The grand is middle of the road, major, nothing fancy. Let's try some $25 bet. We have $1,000 in the machine, and let's see how long it's gonna take to hit that jackpot. That's a very good start. 125. We need 6 of these hearts or 3 moons. Do it. Oh, that was a blocker. $20 back. Come on, moons. Nice, our neighbor got it. Good luck, good luck.
Way down, we need it.
Yeah. Do it. There you go. You got the moons, let's do it. All we need is one line of multipliers, 16x, and send us home. Alright, here are the progressives again. Let's do it. Give us one line of multipliers. And you can always take bonus in the bonus. Do it. Alright. Blocked. And the last one. Nothing fancy, 210. Back to back. Almost. Let's do $150 bet. Do it. 2-1. Oh my gosh. Back to 25. Neighbors. Oh, got 4 of them.
I think the payout's a little bit higher.
Do it. Let's do a 50. One more 50. Back to 25. Last one, and let's switch to $2 Dino. Maybe one more. All right, let's do this. Let's do some 30s. Do it. 3 more. Let's do some 20s. Let's see if we can find any help anywhere. Back to 30s. Almost, we got 2 moons. Let's do it. $60 back, that's good. And now we're gonna get the bonus. Alright, that's good. bucks back. $36 back. That's pretty nice. Do it. Alright, we're done wasting time. Let's do it. Hit that bonus. Give us that 3 moons and line them up. We don't care about the major. You're blocking us here. Come on, moons. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, let's do $20 bet. 2 spins. Save us from our demons. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, 1 minute later, I invested $2 more $100 on the machine. I bet some 50s, didn't work, 25s, and now at 30s we got these 7 hearts. Again, here are the progressives. Let's see what we can get. We can easily get $6,000 or $7,500 heart. So that's very doable. We've had a 250 times or bet before. Save it, last one, save it. That's decent. Let's do a back-to-back. Alright, let's do $1 denom, couple $50 bets. Come on, moons. Moons. Do 25s. Do some 50s here. $20s. Money back. And 30s. Give us that bonus again. One more. Ay, ay, ay. One more. Oh. Tease, tease, tease. Alright. Come on, save us. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, 5 minutes later after another $600 investment. Got the bonus again, 30 bucks a spin. Give us that $6,000 heart. You can do it. A little bigger than the minimum. Maybe a minor? Minor would be sweet. Can we save it? Can we save it? Yes. Alright, that's an upgrade. We doubled the minimum. Give us the minor now. Oh, back to the minimum. You can fill it up. I'm happy with minimums. And the last one. Try it, hope, love, do it. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, $6.90. That's pretty. Back to back. Do some $50 bet. 40. Another 40. Oh my. Alright, if it teases like that, know that it's not coming. Alright, let's get those moons. Pretty numbers, 1500. Give us the moons here. Oh my god, look at that, guys. $10,000. And 2 moons. Alright, that's a nice line pay. That's like 150. 190, look at that. Let's do it again. Or 20. Do it. Oh my god, it's teasing. I don't like when it teases like that. Another tease. Money back. Alright, let's do some $20 bet. Sweet. Come on, do it. Oh my god, almost. 2 more. Back to 20. $30. Do it now. Thank you guys for watching.